Many people use Power BI to help them produce reports and show visualizations. So this is a demonstration of how we can get data directly out of RapidResponse and into Power BI using a data connector. So I'm going to click on Get Data and type RapidResponse. And I can see the RapidResponse data connector. So now I will put the URL of the RapidResponse instance that I wish to connect to. So here I'm using the one that's installed locally, but you can do this with on-demand instances by putting the on-demand URL into that box. So my scenario is Power BI, and I've made that public. The namespace that I'm going to use the independent demand table, which is in the MFG namespace. But of course you can pick any table from the RapidResponse system, apart from tables that are in the system namespace. Any others you can go and pull the data from. And now I'm going to select a set of fields from that table that I want to include in my data. And you can see here I've got line and due date and quantity, but also I've got order ID and order site from the order table, which I can pull in because my base table is independent demand. So I'm going to click OK, and that will go off to RapidResponse once I enter my credentials. It'll give us a summary view of all of the data. I'm happy with that, so I'll click Load. And once that's done, you probably don't need me to show you how to load that into RapidResponse, but I'll just give a couple of examples. I'm going to put in a Q&A widget on the left-hand side, so I can ask some question about my data. And I'm going to put in maybe a pie chart widget over here. And in the pie chart, I think I'll put the quantity values into the values. And I'm going to break the pie chart up so that it shows me the quantity by site. So I'll put the site there. And now perhaps if I ask for total quantity, I can see I've got 24 million over all sites, and then if I can now click around and explore the data a little bit more,